Okay, found a couple of problems with the database. First of all, in the actual database, you need to have 32 for your varchar. The SQL file you sent me says it's got 31. So if you change that to a 2, should be good. That's for the salt. Okay, so I'll change that. That's the first thing. That's the database. So make sure you change that. All right, that bit. 32, not in here. The other thing I noticed, so if when you go to log in, so if I go to log in, I created a user. So you want to create a user. So basically do this one. Go add user. Oh, wrong one. Sorry. Admin. Create a user, and then once you've done that, you can log in. So I'll just try and log in. I just made one admin1234 just for kicks. So it says logged in successfully, but then it tells me to do it again. So there's some errors there. Successful again, and see how it's not letting me log in. Now, if you want to fix this sort of thing, it seems like it's your validate page. So if I go to your validate, if you include the header, PHP header, to your validate page, I think that'll fix it. So I'll just go back. I don't know why it's making me redo it. It's really annoying. But it is getting to your login. So it seems to have fixed some of the problems, but it's making me do it twice, which is kind of frustrating for the login. I don't know why it's doing that. But anyway, it is working. I got it working. And all these things don't sort of do anything at the moment. That one seems to work. And your user and all that. That one doesn't do anything. The log out works. So yeah. So it seems to be working okay. So I'll show you back to where you have to be. Make sure you put the include PHP at the top of your validate page, and make sure you change your 32 your salt. Add a new user. Using the admin form, add a new user, and you should be able to get in there and log in. It seems to have fixed most of that. Okay, what I will do is I'll send a copy of a working one. So I made a blog one. I'll sort of show you what it looks like. See, this one here shouldn't let me log in. See, it lets you checks if it's validating, JavaScript validating. That's pretty good. And it has authors and it has all this other stuff as well. So pretty search feature, add a blog. Yeah, so you can add a blog and go Sam's blog test. This is a test of my site. Okay, and you can just put whatever author number, whatever you are, post the blog, and there it is there. Sam's blog test. And you can edit it and say, not really. Update. Oh, I got a bit of JavaScript editing for that as well. So you've got to check. Not sure why it's doing that. Anyway. Okay. All right. So I did it. I've got to be really careful there. Anyway, update the blog. And yeah, you really have to check that. Yeah, so it's working, but I've got to change the JavaScript on the form. You can delete the blog. Boom, it's gone. Okay, so there's some interesting stuff you can add anyway. Yeah, so maybe one of those will be something you'll be wanting to look into.